Hello students, here we start with the lecture number 5 for the circle. In this lecture we are going to discuss about maximum or minimum distance of a point from the circle as well as parametric equations of circle. So here I start with the theory. Consider one circle. C is center of the circle and P is one point outside the circle. Now what is the maximum distance of the point P from the circle? So if I draw such line which is passing through center of the circle, or you can say if I draw one diameter from P, then the length of P from this point is the maximum distance and length of P from this point is the minimum distance. Now I am drawing R first. So R is, maybe you can say this distance is R, or you can say this distance is R. That is radius of the circle. Now, as I said, what is the maximum distance then? So maximum distance of P from the circle is the Cp plus R. So Cp is the distance of the point P from the center plus radius. And minimum distance of the point P from the circle is mod of Cp minus R. Since the distance should be positive, so we are writing this subtraction or this difference inside the mod. So mod of Cp minus R is the minimum distance. Now look at one question based on this theory. Question is, find longest distance of minus 3 comma 2 from the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So here I start with the solution. First of all, I am comparing given equation with the general equation of the circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0. Now from this comparison you can write the 2g value is minus 2, so g becomes minus 1. The 2f value is 2, so f value is 1. And the constant c is 1. Now what is center of the circle? Center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. So here we are writing it as 1 comma minus 1. And radius of the circle is given by formula root of g square plus f square minus c. After substituting the values in this, you can write it as root of minus 1 the whole square plus 1 the whole square minus 1. So simply you got the radius value is 1. Now you have to determine the distance of point minus 3 comma 2 from the circle. So I am assuming it as P, and first of all I am obtaining Cp. That can be simply done by the distance formula. So it becomes root of minus 3 minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus of minus 1 the whole square. Now the Cp value is root of then 16 plus 9, which becomes 5. Now what was the question? The question was to determine the longest distance of the point from the circle. And the formula for that is Cp plus R. So the value of Cp is 5, that we have already obtained here, the value of Cp. And the radius value is 1. If we add them, your answer is 6 units. So this is at such very simple question to determine. You have to determine longest distance, then the formula is Cp plus R. If you want to get the minimum distance, then the formula is mod of Cp minus R. Now I am moving for the next theory, that is parametric point. Now consider x-axis, y-axis and one standard circle. Standard circle means the circle having center at origin. See, I am assuming C is the center and R is the radius of the circle. Let Px comma y be any point on the circle, and if you join that point with the center, you get radius. Now from point P, I am drawing one perpendicular on x-axis. Let that perpendicular be PM. So this is the perpendicular drawn from P on x-axis. Now what this distance is, that is the distance of M from C. See, anybody can say it is equal to the x. and the distance of P from x-axis. So that distance is vertical distance. We are measuring it on y-axis, so it will be y. Now, if in triangle CPM, if I assume this angle as theta, then one can easily write sine theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is y upon r. And cos theta can be written as adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is x upon r. So I got sine theta and cos theta. Further, one can write x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sine theta. These are called as parametric equations. So these are parametric equations of circle. By the way, if you write that x as r cos theta here and y is r sine theta, then this point is called as parametric point. So we derived parametric point of the standard circle. Now I would like to take this theory ahead for, maybe you can say, general circle or center radius form. So just have a look at this data. It's a circle and its parametric point we are considering. Now, if the equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square, that is a standard circle, then the parametric point is a cos theta, comma, a sin theta, where a is radius of the circle. But if we are considering the equation of circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0, then its parametric point is minus g plus a cos theta, comma, minus f plus a sin theta, where a is radius of the circle. A is radius of the circle. Now, how to find radius of the circle? I hope you remember radius can be obtained with the help of formula root of g square plus f square minus c. By the way, one more possibility is there then. If the circle's equation is given in center radius form, that is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to a square. In that case, the parametric point can be written as h plus a cos theta, k plus a sin theta, where h comma k is center of the circle and r is radius of the circle. Now, just to understand this theory, I am solving one question based on this. The question is, the Cartesian equation of the curve x is equal to 7 plus 4 cos alpha and y is equal to minus 3 plus 4 sin alpha. So here is the solution. See, x is 7 plus 4 cos alpha and y is minus 3 plus 4 sin alpha. I am comparing this with the parametric form. X is minus g plus a cos alpha and y is minus f plus a sin alpha. So from this, g value can be written as minus 7 and the f value can be written as 3. Further, if you compare a cos alpha or a sin alpha, a can be written as 4, which is radius of the circle. Now, in our theory, our formula for the radius is root of g square plus f square minus c, that is 4. So, one can write after squaring g square plus f square minus c is equal to 16. Now, what are the values of g, f and c you have? So, g square, that means minus 7 the whole square. F square, that is 3 the whole square. So, 49 plus 9 minus c is 16. In next step, I can write minus c is equal to 16 minus 58. So further, c value can be written as 42. Now you have c, you have value of g, value of f, all values we have ready. So one can write equation of circle in general form as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0. Now if I substitute all these values, equation becomes x square plus y square. Now 2g means double of minus 7, that is minus 14. 2f, that is double of f, that is 6. And c value is 42. So this is the equation of the circle. So this is the Cartesian equation of the circle. while these equations are called as parametric equations. They ask us to determine the Cartesian equation. So this one is the Cartesian equation. By the way, these equations are called as parametric equations. So I hope everybody understood this one. So here we stop with our lecture. Thank you and bye bye to you all.